Are you looking for a gaming mouse for small hands? In this video, I will show you the 5 best gaming mouse for small hands based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Razer Deathadder V2 Mini. 3x faster than traditional mechanical switches. New Razer optical mouse switches uses light beam-based actuation, registering button presses at the speed of light. Immersive, customizable chroma RGB lighting supports 16.8 million colors. Included preset profiles, syncs with gameplay and Razer Chroma-enabled peripherals and Philips Hue products. 6 programmable buttons, allows for button remapping and assignment of complex macro functions through Razer Synapse 3 drag-free cord for wireless light. Performance Razer SpeedFlex cables eliminate the need for mouse bungees, drastically reducing weight and drag for absolute control. The 4th product on the list is the Logitech G305. Advanced Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse for super-fast 1 millisecond response time and faster than wired performance. Ultra-long battery life gives you up to 250 hours of continuous gaming on a single AA battery. System requirements: Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.11 or later, Chrome OS. Lightweight mechanical design and classic shape for maximum maneuverability, durability and comfort. Compact, portable design with convenient built-in storage for included. The 3rd product on the list is the Cooler Master MM710. The MM710 is Cooler Master's first ultralight gaming mouse, featuring pro-grade components and deceptively durable ultraweave cable, all housed in a brand new shell designed to keep the mouse below 53 g in total mouse body weight. New perforated housing is engineered to be supremely durable and lightweight, meaning you can play longer without fatigue. PTFE material provides smooth control with a low friction, consistent glide, adjustable up to 16,000 dpi for greater control, precision and future proofing. The 2nd product on the list is the glorious Modelo Minus. Modelo's honeycomb shell is the key to achieving a feather-light weight while maintaining its ultra-durable strength. You'll barely feel the holes during gameplay, but they provide ventilation to keep your palms cool and fresh. Cleaning the Modelo is easy, just use any air canister to keep your mouse good as new. No more shoddy stock mouse feet or buying third-party add-ons. Modelo comes included with our premium G-Skates 100% pure virgin PTFE, rounded edges that don't snag on your pad so your mouse will glide like blades on ice. Comes in 0.81mm thickness for maximum lifespan. The dedicated DPI indicator can be set to any value and colors you choose, so you always know your value when adjusting on the fly. The competitive esports industry standard. Pixel perfect tracking, 0 mouse acceleration, no more spinouts, 1000 Hz polling rate, less than 0.7mm lift-off distance. The 1st product on the list is the Razer Viper Mini. Experience hard-hitting performance with our lightest mouse ever created, a lean, ultra-lightweight build that makes control effortless. Featuring cutting-edge optical mouse switches, a precise 8500 dpi sensor, and Razer SpeedFlex cable for supreme accuracy and speed. Each click is registered using a light sensor, so your command actuates at the speed of light. With no false actuations, the Razer Viper Mini becomes a true extension of you. When it comes to a shootout, no one pulls the trigger faster than you can. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.